I actually liked the experience of the movie. It was really fun. Good acting experience.
Did you like working with actors?
Yes, he's a good director.
Or was it fun?
Yes, I really had.
What was your favorite part about the movie?
Well, my favorite part was me having fun with me and acting. I just love acting in real life.
What was fun about the movie? The thing that was fun about the movie was being the director. What did you like about it? The stuff that I liked about the movie is that we had snack breaks with them. Was it fun? Yes.
Actually, the movie, it was fun. It was a good experience with all the kids and learning how the business is, all the industries, and yes, all the everything. Mostly the acting part. But I like all the makeup and all that, the experience, all of that.
What was your favorite part about the movie?
My favorite part was the movie, like you actually start making the movie, be real stars, and then once we start looking at the movie, they gonna see us as famous people. My favorite part is when the kids started making the movie, and then when the coach came, he found out that he wanted the money to save the century.
It's great to see new kids and stuff coming in and taking roles and doing parts in the movie. My favorite part about the movie was when we was walking in, and he said he gonna put it in slow motion.